Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will see how arithmetic mean are found through the continuous series. I mean, if continuous series are given, how are we going to find arithmetic mean? The previous day we have done with the topic step deviation. Okay, now in continuous series, how are we going to get mean? What is the formula? The first one, it is a direct method. So to find mean, the formula is sigma fm divided by sigma f. F you all know, that is frequency. Now what is m? That is, m is the midpoint of all the classes. So class interval will be given. We have to find midpoint or class mark. After getting for each class, after getting the midpoints, we have to multiply that with the frequency. Total that sigma fm. Then apply that in the formula. Sigma fm divided by sigma f, that is total number of observations. Okay. Next. Here. So once more, just tell me what is the formula to find arithmetic mean for a continuous series that to a direct method. Tell me. Abhilash, what is the formula?
Sigma fm by sigma f.
Sigma fm by sigma f. Okay. Now, for example, just I'm giving you one. Simply, I'm giving one example for that. $120. Okay. So these are the three classes. That is X will come. F. That is 2, 5, 1. Now from this, we can, if this is given, how can we get the mean? So next column, what it should be?
Midpoint.
Midpoint. Okay. So 20 to 40, how can we get the midpoint? Anish, do you know how to get the midpoint? Class midpoint or class mark? Pranav?
After limit plus lower limit by 2.
Okay, so 20 plus 40 divided by 2. So midpoint, otherwise also it's very easy. The middle one you have to take. So 20 to 40, what is the midpoint here? Rahul?
30.
30. Vishnu, next one. 40 to 80, midpoint.
60.
60. Okay. Next one, 80 to 120. What is the midpoint, Akshay? Akshay.
I just came into the class. I don't know.
Okay, Vinay. What is the midpoint?
100.
100. So once more, I will explain about it. Continuous series with the grouped data. Direct method. To get mean, the formula is sigma fm divided by sigma f. Now m is midpoints of all the classes. Class intervals are given. So you have to find midpoint, write it down, then multiply that midpoints with the frequencies. That is what? Sigma fm. Then divided by sigma f, that is the total number of observations. So one example is 20 to 40, 40 to 80, 80 to 120. These are the class intervals. Frequencies are given 2, 5, 1. So what you have to find the next column, that is M. M is the class midpoint or class mark, that is 20 to 40. 20 plus 40 divided by 2. What comes that in between 20 to 40? Midpoint is 30, then 60, 100. Now next column, what it will be? Rahul?
Sigma FM.
FM. Okay. So how to get FM now? We have to multiply. So the first one, Pranav, what will be the answer for the first one?
60.
Okay, 60. Second one, Abhilash?
300.
300. Next one, Akshay?
100.
100. Okay, correct. So what is the total of this?
Oh, 60.
1000.
Okay, I'm not going, just I'm telling you how to do this. Now, next, so sigma FM you got, right? Now, next, what you have to get? Sigma F. Okay, so find the total. What you have to do? Sigma FM divided by sigma F. Apply this in the formula. I'm not making you to do this. I will give another example. Okay, so first what you have to do? Find the midpoint of class interval, write it down, then get these two, multiply. Then you will be getting FM. Find the sigma of that, or find the total of that. You got sigma FM, then sigma F, you will be getting the answer for this. Next one, this is another question. You can do it by yourself. Class intervals are given, so you can write on one side X, you can write X, you can write F, you can write. Next column, you can write M, then you can write FM. Find out now what it is. M is the midpoint.
And that's 0 to 40, right?
0 to?
40. The fourth
Oh, that is
division.
30 to 40. Sorry, 30 to 40. Thirty to 40. What is the formula to find? Vinay? What is the formula?
By FM by F.
Sigma FM by
Sigma
sigma F. Okay. So first find M, then FM, Krishnakanti. Krishnakanti, do you know what is M? Hmm? Yes or no? Pavitra,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know what is M?
M is 5.
Okay, you are telling the answer. M is 5. Okay, first one is 5. How did you get that? That is, what is that actually? M means?
Upper limit plus lower limit by 2.
Divide by 2. That is class midpoint. Okay. So Aparna, can you tell for the next one? 10 to 20. What is the midpoint? Aparna. Krishnakanti.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
For the second one, did you get? 10 to 20, midpoint.
15.
15. Okay, Vinay, next one. Hmm?
25.
25. Pranav, next one.
Ma'am, which one?
30 to 40.
34.
35. Akshay, next one.
8. 45.
45. Abhilash, next one.
My 55.
55. Helen, next one. Helen. Anish,
Yes, ma'am.
next one.
65.
65. Okay. After this, multiply F into M. Akshay, can you tell the first one answer, FM?
25.
25. Did you complete this? This column?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Abhilash, second one?
I'm 180.
180. Rahul, third one?
375.
375. Pranav, next one?
875.
875. Vinay, did you complete? Next one?
360.
360. Pavitra, did you complete next one?
165.
165. Okay. Next, Krishnakanti, did you finish? Sayujya?
Yes, ma'am. 130.
130. Okay. Anybody got the total of this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is answer?
2110.
Okay. 2110. Now apply this in the formula. What about F? F total you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Total of F. How much it is?
70.
70. So apply that is equal to 2110 divided by 70. So answer is 30.14. Finished, right? Everyone? Anybody is there to complete? No. So we are going to the next method, that is assumed mean method. Okay. Now in this, the formula is assumed mean A plus sigma ft divided by sigma f. Okay. Now in this, D is equal to, you see, before you have learned D is equal to x minus A. Now in this, D is equal to M minus A. And what is M? M is the midpoint of the respective classes. A is assumed mean what we are taking. N is total number of observation, or F is total number of observations. Before that, yeah, here we have done one example. In this, now what is the formula? Once more tell. What is the formula? A plus
Sigma
Sig-
FT
Sigma D
sigma. Huh? Is it sigma D only? Sigma
D divided by N.
Ft divided by sigma F. Okay, F for N. That is correct. Now D is equal to what? M minus A. A is the assumed mean. So in this, from M, you can take any assumed mean, any one you can take. Then you will, for example, what will be the next column then? What to find now? First,
D.
D. So is equal to M minus A. And this, just assume that 60 is the assumed mean. So what will come here? 30 minus 60, 60 minus 60, 100 minus 60. Like this will come. You will be getting answer minus 30, 0, here 40. You got M minus A, right? After that, what you have to do? Next column, what you have to find? You got only D now. Next step is what?
FD.
FD. So next column, FD. So this is F is given here. F is given 2. And what is D? Minus 30. So what will come? What will be the answer?
Negative 60.
Huh? Negative 60. Okay, fine. Next one. What will be the answer?
0.
0. You don't write down this. This is just for your understanding. Okay, I'm not finding any answer for this. Next one answer?
40.
40. Okay, now you can apply this in the formula. FD you know, F you know, right? The same way. From this now you can find the same question. You can find the mean through assumed mean method. through assumed mean method. What should be the next? What should be the next column? You know. What is the next column? D. D is equal to M minus A. So from the midpoint, you can take 35 as mean. This one, you can take 35 as mean. So let it be same for everyone. D is equal to M minus A. Assumed mean is 35. So Rahul, what is the first step? First step, how did you do? D is equal to M minus A.
35 minus A.
Is it 35 minus?
5 minus 35.
Yeah, 5 minus 35. So like that, find the answers. Pavitra, did you get the first one? No. Akshay, did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first one?
Negative 30.
Negative 30. Yes. Next one. Abhilash.
I'm negative 20.
Negative 20. Vinay, next one.
10. Negative 10.
Negative 10. Okay. Krishnakanti, next one.
0.
0. Aparna, next one.
10.
Hmm?
10.
It's not audible.
10.
Can you say it louder?
10.
I hope you are telling 10. Okay. Abhilash, next one.
20.
20. Pranav, last one.
30. 30.
30. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Next column, what do you have to do? F into D. Okay, so F you know, F into D, find out that, find the answers fast. Rahul, you got the first one?
Minus 150.
Minus 150. Okay. Vinay, second one?
Minus 240.
Minus
240.
minus
240.
okay. F into, you are doing F into D, right? Okay, 240, minus 240. Okay. Abhilash, third one?
Minus 150.
Minus 150. Next one?
0.
That is 0. Next one?
80.
80. Next one?
60.
60. Okay. And the last one? That is 3 into 20. Okay, same, right? Yes. So what is the total for FD? Anyone got?
Negative 340.
Negative 340. Now you know how to apply that in the formula. Assumed mean, you know, that is 35. Sigma FT, you know. Sigma F also, you know. I'm just showing the answer. Minus 340 you got. Assumed mean is 35 plus minus 340 divided by 70 is equal to 35 minus 4.86. You get 30.14. Next method. Did you complete? All of you got? Next is a step deviation method. It is same like the other steps how we have done, but only that some letters are different. That's all. Here, step deviation method. The formula to find out mean is equal to A plus sigma FD dash. The previous one, it was FD. In this FD dash divided by sigma F into C. C is the common factor. Now, how we are getting D dash? That is M minus A divided by common factor. From the midpoint, we can take a common factor. So midpoint, we got a lot of midpoint. From that, you can take the common factor. Then A is assumed mean. Sigma F is the total number of observations. So, what is the formula? Once more, Pranav.
Sigma D dash by sigma F into C.
Okay, now the first one I'm taking. So what should be the input to, according to this formula, what should be the next column?
D dash.
D dash. So what is D dash now? M minus A divided by C. That is what? D dash. Okay, now M minus A, you know already the 30, 0, 40 is given, you got already. So if you want, you can use that divided by C. C is a common factor here. So it is 30, 60, 100. In this, what will be the common factor? Which number can we take as common factor? 30, 60, 100. Rahul, which number can we take as a common factor?
30.
Hmm?
30.
See, common factor in the sense, a number with that we can divide all these. Factor. So which number we can take? Pranav?
10.
10. Rahul, you got how it is to be taken? C means common factor. These three numbers, there should be one common factor. It can be 5 also. So better you take 10. That will be easy for us to divide. Okay. So here m minus a divided by c. C is the common factor. You can take 10 as the common factor. So what will come in this? Like dm minus a divided by c. What will be there for the first one? So you need not say, you need not copy it down. Abhilash, can you tell?
Can you repeat the question?
D dash m minus a is divided by c. What will come?
I'm adding here the C.
Hmm?
No, I
C
didn't
is
hear
common factor, right?
No, did we decide on a C?
We can decide, na 10.
Okay.
That will be easy for us.
Okay,
Because 5, if you see, if you take 10, it will be easily divisible. Right? So in all these things, 10 is a common factor. So we can take that. Yeah.
So for for 30 it will be 30 minus 60 by 10.
30 minus 60 by 10. Oh, sorry. By 10. So what will be the answer?
Minus 30 by 10.
Minus 30 by 10. So answer will be minus 3, right? Same way, second one now. Vishnu, can you say? Vishnu is not there. Vishnu?
Ma'am?
Yeah, second one, can you say? M is given. M, what is given M? Second for the second one.
60.
60. Okay. So M, we have put 60. What is assumed to mean? In this, we have taken 60 only as the assumed mean, right?
60 minus 60.
Okay. 60 minus 60 divided by common factor, we have taken 10. So what will be the answer?
0 divided by 10, 0.
Yeah, 0. Okay. Next one. Vinay, can you say? What is M?
100.
100. What does assumed mean?
60 minus 60 by 10.
Minus 60 by 10. What will be the answer?
4.
Okay. So like this, we got D dash. Okay. Anything else to be get in this? Common factor we know. So when we are applying that, A plus sigma F D dash divided by sigma F into C. Now D dash we got. What should be the next column?
F D dash.
Okay, so the next column should be F D dash. F D dash. Okay, so what you have to do, F is given for the first one. It is 2. F is 2, right? Pranav, so what will be F D dash?
Negative 6.
Yeah, 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Next one, it is 0 here, so it will be 0. Next one, Pranav?
4.
4, because frequency, what is given, that is 1. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Now we can, if we total this, you get a number, we can apply this in the formula. Okay. So we are going to do the same question now. the same question with this. What will be the next column? I have given already this question. So with that, we are going to find next column. What do we have to find? Next one. In the formula, what we have to get? Akshay?
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the next column? See, formula is A plus sigma F D dash divided by sigma F into C. This is the formula, right? Through
Yes, ma'am.
through this method, step deviation method. So in this, not step deviation, in this what you have to do, D dash, we don't know, right? So what you have to do in the next column, it should be
D dash.
D dash. So in this method, what we have to write D dash in the next column. How to get the D dash?
M minus A by C.
M in the according to the step deviation method, we have to find D dash. So M minus A divided by C. C is the common factor. So D dash, you know how to get it. In this M is given, A is given, C. C what in this M, which number we can take as a common factor?
5.
Take it. Abhilash, what will come for the first one? 5 minus
35
35 divided by
5.
Okay. What is the answer?
-6.
Rahul, next one.
-4.
-4. Okay. How did you get that? You just tell me. 15 minus 35 by 5 is equal to -4, you said, right? Vishnu, can you tell next one?
Ma'am.
M is, see, 5 we have done, 15 we have done.
25,
Next one is,
25 minus 35 divided by 5.
So what will be the answer?
10 divided by 5, 2.
Is it 2? It is -10 by 5, right?
-2.
Okay, so what will be the answer?
-2.
Okay. Next one. Krishnakanti, next one.
No, I'm still finding.
No, what is the next number you tell? It's 35, right? Yes? So how to just do that? 35 minus 35 divided by 5. What will be the answer?
0.
0. Aparna, next one.
2.
How did you get that? 45 minus 35 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Next, Pranav?
4.
4. 55 minus 35 by 5 is equal to 4. And the last one, Vinay?
6.
55 minus 30 by 5 is equal to, oh, sorry, it's 35. Okay, now get the answer, total it. Not total, sorry. You have to get FD. Find FD. Next column, FD, FD dash. Anybody got the first number?
Negative 30.
Negative 30. Second number?
Negative 48.
Negative 48. I am not seeing, okay? I hope it's correct. Others also are getting same. Rahul, you got the next one?
Negative 30.
Negative 30. Next is? Zero, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one? Into 2, yeah, 25. Yeah, 8 into 2. Is that 8 into 2? So what is the answer? 16, right?
16.
8.
3 into 4. Then last one, 2 into 6. Did you get the total?
Negative
what?
68.
You have to get sigma FD dash. What did you say?
Negative 68.
Negative 68. Just check others. Is it time? Okay. Everyone got the same number or what? Is there any difference?
Negative 68.
Just 1 minute. We'll discuss this. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Bye. Thank you.